Here's a little awesome tip for you whenever you want to clean up, you know, oil spills on your garage floor or your shop floor. Grill cleaner. It's cheap and it works great. What it does is it's got emulsifiers in it that pulls the grease up and oil. As you can tell, that oil is already sitting on top of that cleaner. We'll just let it sit there, and once it turns to a liquid, you can mop it up, or I'll just throw a little kitty litter down on it, and it just works great. Just give it a wipe with an old shop rag. Once it dries, you're all cleaned up. If your shop floor is super dirty, you'll have to do touch-up spots, of course. But hey guys, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And once you do that, the little bell's gonna pop up, and click that and you'll get all my newest videos. We're headed over to the Jubilee. I'm gonna take some video of our little wiener dog and the wiener dog first annual wiener dog race. So y'all be looking forward to that video. It's gonna be funny and kind of neat, kind of my first experience in racing wiener dogs. So y'all stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you later. More Medic 1. Have a great day.